Thank you for clicking on the next video in the series of engaging students. The second way to be a more engaging instructor or lecturer is chunking. And the metaphor that we have here is sort of a large slab of meat. If you were to attempt to just start biting into that, it wouldn't be very sanitary, and you probably wouldn't get too far in it, and it would be fairly wasteful, and you wouldn't be able to share as effectively. However, if you take a knife and you cut it up and you chunk it into smaller pieces, it's more easily put onto a sandwich and it's more easily shared with others. Instruction is very similar to that piece of corned beef. You want to chunk it into smaller, more digestible bits so that it can be more easily shared. And while that's a great metaphor to keep in mind, it's also important to understand how important this is to online instruction in addition to on-site instruction. Chunking up your content is going to make it a lot easier to share. In the next slide, in the next video, I'll share with you an example of chunked instruction. And this is a free service that's available called SitePal. And SitePal allows you to use text-to-speech engines to create short educational videos. And in this short educational video that I made, I chunked some of my argument instruction regarding the 3 modes of proof into a short and I think attention provocative video about the 3 modes of proof.
Hello class. Today we are discussing Aristotle's 3 modes of proof. Those are ethos, pathos, and logos. All 3 of these Latin words are important to being a good public speaker. Ethos is similar to the English word ethics. And for our purposes it means the same. If you're ethical, then you're trustworthy. Ethos will be important to our discussion of credibility. Pathos is similar to the English word pathetic. Once again, for our purposes it is a synonym. Pathos relates to emotional appeals. Finally, logos is similar to the English word logic. Logos involves logical reasoning. More later.
Click on the next video to learn all about flipping your classroom or curriculum inversion.